You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to see the brake fluid liquid reservoir on your vehicle. Unplug the connector on the airflow meter. Unplug the inertial measurement sensor. Open the brake fluid reservoir. If you're completely draining the brake liquid circuit, you will have to start by draining the used liquid with the help of a pump. Then fill the reservoir with new liquid to the maximum level. When you drain the brake liquid circuit, there's an order that has to be followed. On this vehicle, the order is as follows: back wheel driver's side, front wheel passenger side, front wheel driver's side, back wheel driver's side. You have to successfully lever each part of your vehicle, then remove each wheel to be able to access a drain point. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. Once the wheel has been removed, the drain point is located on the brake caliper. Start by removing the cap. Using a wire brush, clean the drain before applying penetrating oil to ensure that you don't break the drain if it's rusted. The back drains are unscrewed using a 9mm spanner. Put the spanner in the drain. Then, take a plastic tube with an internal diameter of 6mm. You can also preheat it with a lighter to make waterproofing easier. Put the tube over the drain. Fix the tube in place using a clamping clip to ensure a complete seal. You can use a flathead screwdriver and pliers to help gain optimum tightening. Take a container that you pre-fill with brake liquid. The level should be high enough for the end of the tube to be submerged in the liquid. It is very important to always ensure effective draining. It is important to place the container at a height so that the sub is directly upwards so that the air bubbles can escape. This is not possible when the tube is directly downwards as the bubbles go up into the drain. Once the assembly is in place, unscrew the drain a quarter turn. Check that the end of the tube is in the brake fluid liquid, stopping air going up into the drain. You can now slowly pump the brake pedal, but without fully going all the way down, as you may affect the seal on the master cylinder. As you pump, the liquid will leave the drain. Make sure that you alternate between pumping and adding liquid to the reservoir. It is vital that the circuit is never empty, otherwise you could stall it. Once there are no more bubbles leaving the drain, you can tighten again a quarter turn. You can then remove the assembly and finalize the tightening of the drain before putting the cap in place. This vehicle has never been drained before. You can therefore see the old liquid, which is filled with rust and humidity, and the new liquid. Now, you will be able to put the wheel back on your vehicle and put it back on the ground.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Move on to the front passenger side wheel and repeat the operation. On the front brake calipers, you have to use an 11mm spanner to release the drain. Do the same with the front driver's side wheel. Then the back passenger side. Before using your vehicle, check that the brakes are working normally. If air bubbles are still present in the circuit, this could lead to a significant loss in the efficiency of the brakes. Once the four wheels have been drained, fill the reservoir with new liquid to the maximum level. Put the inertia measurement sensor back in place and then the connector on the airflow meter. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.